Welcome to Phoenix Aviation, 3 decades of unparalleled aviation excellence when it comes to global medical evacuation services, air charter services, whether it's intercontinental or local. We have our facilities here at the Wilson Airport that handle all kinds of aircraft maintenance needs. I want us to check out an amazing addition to their 13 aircraft fleet, the Citation Sovereign 680. This beautiful machine has a capacity of 9 people. It can fly intercontinental to Dubai, to South Africa, you name it. And of course, the staff at Phoenix Aviation make sure that your luxury and comfort is taken care of from start to finish. As one seats in this gorgeous, spacious, luxurious cabin, you have all of the trappings to ensure that you have a luxurious and comfortable flight, whether it is state-of-the-art technology, a comfortable surrounding that ensures that you can wine and dine and have your business meetings. You've got ambient lighting and premium materials plush all around you. Next time you're thinking of chartering an executive jet, ensure that Phoenix Aviation is the top of your list whenever it comes to luxury, executive, private jet charter.